In these past few months, we have been spending most of our time being at home trying to adjust to the new normal. Meanwhile, all the children were off from school, enjoying weather, birds, now the rains. But now, as the new session begins, it's time for online classes. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It is just the starting of the new session for many colleges and universities and even schools, and welcome to the world of online classes. It is good for those who like to stay at home, but a really sad news for all those people who, I would say, love to stay free. You know what I mean. In this video, we will talk about 4 ways that will make your experience of attending any online class more simple and more productive. So let's look at these ideas to make a better online teaching and learning experience and to make the whole experience hassle-free. Tip number 1. Arrange your study desk. It is important that you have all your materials that are required for you to attend the online classes at one place. It can be your laptop, your stationery, your essential books, notebooks, pen, pencil, whatever you require. Also make sure that you have your books at one place for all the subjects, so that you do not have to run here and there while the class is going on. Having all these things at one place makes your attending the class very easy, and make sure that you do not have a clutter on your table or on your place while you're working. Just imagine if the teacher asks you something and you have to find something from that mess. Try to keep only the essential items that are required for you to attend the class, and you can also decorate it by simple ways as per your taste and your style. It is not necessary that everybody is having that table and chair kind of setup in the home where they will be attending the classes, but there is always that corner which you choose to study from while attending these classes, and always make sure that that corner is clean and make sure that you are able to complete your entire class without getting disturbed or without coming in somebody else's way. If you are attending these classes for a longer period of time, or you have back-to-back classes which are going on, it is always advisable and better to keep something to drink near you. It could be simple plain water or anything that you would like to have, but please do not make your study table a dining table, and always maintain the decorum of the class. Next tip will be to make a schedule for your classes. Making a schedule for your classes is important so that you are very clear as to what to do first and what to do the next task, and you are not confused as where to begin and where to end, and all the tasks will be in front of you, and you can pick and choose what are the things that you want to do before starting these classes, and what are the things which you will like to do after finishing these classes. Also, you will have a clear vision of when and where your classes will be. The timings will be clear, you won't be missing any of them, or you won't be late for the class. Next, an important tip: declutter your desktop. We have this habit of saving everything and anything that comes on our desktop, and it looks more like a mess with all the files and folders scattered all over the place. And while you're attending a specific class, it becomes difficult to track down the previous note which was given, or maybe to open a file which you want to open at that moment. So it is better to have a clean desktop. Try to combine and compile all your files, relevant files and folder at one place. Always better to arrange them in order so that you can find them when you need to find them. Also make a separate folder for each class that you're attending, and try to keep all the notes relevant to that particular subject in that folder itself, so that you won't waste time searching for these folders and find them at the right place. Fourth and the final tip: have a good internet connection. This is the most important tip, because having a poor connection or poor connectivity in any forms takes a toll on. Having a good internet connection is the most important step to be able to attend that class and to be able to complete that class as well. So make sure that you have a good connectivity and you are able to complete your class throughout without any network issues. Also make sure that your laptop or your phone is charged before the class, and if not so, you have a constant source of power connected to it so that it won't fade out or it won't die in between your class. Also try to eliminate distractions, and the biggest distraction in today's world is our phone, also the social media on the phone that we are constantly into. So try to reduce your screen time, because you won't even come to know how much time you're spending on these devices and the day goes off. There are various apps here which might help you, like Forest, Flipped. Even Toggle Web app is a free time tracking software. and it will help you decide in controlling your screen time. Also take care of your ergonomics while you're attending the class, that is how you're sitting or where you're sitting and what is the table height and chair height, and if you are slouching too much or all those things. And for the same information you can check out my previous videos which I've already uploaded, that is what is the correct way to work from home whether you're a student or a teacher. So do check out that video, the link will be somewhere here, and hope that helps you out. And the final tip, it is more like a gentle request. Please do not try to pull your teacher's leg, and this message goes out especially for all the senior teachers who are teaching you, because they are trying their level best to understand the technology at the first stage, and then they're trying to work this way out through the online classes, because this lockdown and this sudden education system of online classes is also new to them and have suddenly forced on them, and they are trying the level best to understand this and make it work for you guys and give that information and that education that you people deserve while you are sitting at your home right now. So it's a request, please respect your teachers and help them out if they fumble somewhere in the technological part. They know the knowledge part. Please revise your previous chapter before you come back to the next class. If you like this video, then please like it, share it with your family and your friends, and do subscribe to the channel. Till then, be healthy, be happy, and see you soon in my next video.